Okay, well, the tractor just exploded. Look at that. Sprayed my kid's house, oil all over there. That line right there just exploded, which is interesting because that's actually the line going down. So, anywho, if you see that right there, there's a crack right there. So, that happened at not a great time, but there's definitely a worse time that could have happened. It just dumped half a gallon of fluid all over my kid's house. So, time to clean that up. So, we'll continue this repair on the tractor and that trailer. So where this hydraulic line, this is the hydraulic line mounted to the boom of the tractor, where this split has actually been repaired a couple times. Somebody kinked it, dropped the boom down with something right there, probably dirt clod or a rock or something, and it's already been welded with silicon, or brazed with silicon bronze. So at any rate, I may try passing over that with a TIG welder. I don't know if I can replace this whole line or not. I've got to look and see. I definitely don't have a way to do it without buying stuff. I'm wondering if I can buy just this hard line section with a 90 in it and fix, just re-weld right there. I'm not super confident in my ability to fix this, but I think I might pull out the TIG welder and give it a shot and just see. I do have some silicon bronze brazing rod in here somewhere. So, I mean, worst case scenario, it's still split, right? At any rate, I think probably like 90 amps for a max, and then I don't know, whatever the button will dictate how much I actually use, but I might give that a shot. I've been spraying with acetone and wire brushing it, and I don't know if the camera's doing it justice. Basically, just all that weight on that thing was just enough to pop it. So at any rate, if I can't replace this line or weld that, there'll probably be a new ram, but I don't think I want to go that route if I can avoid it, or I'll go that route. So anyways, let's see what we can do with the TIG welder. So I feel it important to mention that I have never actually done silicon brazing with TIG welding successfully. I did oxy fuel back in high school, so 20 years ago I had to pass an oxy fuel brazing test. I did watch a video on YouTube by Jody with Welding Tips and Tricks on TIG brazing maybe 10 years ago. If this doesn't work right away, I'll probably go back and watch a bunch of Welding Tips and Tricks videos on Jody's channel and see if I'm even going to be able to do this. But I'm just going to go ahead and give it a shot, and we'll see what happens. I'm using the Everlast Power TIG 210 EXT. I have it set on DC and 90 amps. No idea if this is going to work. Clearly not grounded well enough. I'm trying to think where I can even ground to. I'm gonna connect some vice grips right here. Okay, round 2. That wasn't terrible, other than I'm shaky because I haven't eaten yet. Well, I haven't eaten for 6 or 7 hours. That was going pretty good, I think. Not bad. Let's see if we can get you in to see that. Come on, focus, camera. So I'm gonna go over that one more time, right where the actual bead profile is, and I'm also gonna go across this side at the lower end of it too. If it splits towards the inside, I'm screwed. So, give that a shot again. Not sure what any of what I'm seeing right now means. It's smoking a lot, but there's been a lot of oil in it. I don't know. So I'm gonna follow this rib right there, and then I don't know, go put it back in the tractor and see what happens. I've got a higher bead profile than they had before, so I don't know. I need to clamp this rolled up a little bit, like that. It doesn't help, this brush I didn't realize until I looked at it real close, it's covered in grease, so I'm scrubbing it with a dirty brush. I don't know, it seems to be working. I'm gonna hit it again. It smells very eggy. I don't know if that's normal. And there is definitely some boiling oil inside of the line. I'm pretty happy with that. Not gonna lie. Doesn't look terrible. I might come out this way a little further and do the exact same thing I just did. My biggest fear is it's gonna split in towards the cylinder, and there's no welding it at that point, or brazing it. But maybe I've built up enough that it'll be good. I'm gonna roll this down a little bit and come up in here across the top again. I'm using a lot lower amperage than I thought I would. Shielding gas was set pretty low. I'm gonna try another pass with it set higher. I was at 15 and I set it to 20. I just want to see what it looks like, if I can get it to be shinier. Okay, that's the freaking caterpillar. Hopefully that holds. I'm actually the most hopeful in this final bead. So we'll put it on, we'll see what it does. It'll be tomorrow before I get to really run it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, well, as I'm editing this video, I thought I'd come give you an update. That video that you're just watching was filmed 4 months ago, and I look different. Everything around me looks a smidge different to show that time has passed. But I thought I'd come show you the ram. Lighting's not superb, but not a single drip has leaked out of that since then. I didn't notice when I first bought the tractor that had been repaired, but I haven't had any single issue there. So there's definitely going to be some more video footage on this thing. I don't use it every day, but yes, about 4,000 pounds of steel there. And a bucket that you're going to see, you're not going to see me remodel that one, but there's another one behind the shop that way that we'll rebuild together. I got a killer deal on some buckets, and anyways, there's going to be a lot more footage on the skid steer. So thanks for watching this repair. Like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for being here.